In this video, we're going to show you how to run a successful overlap on your Triad Extreme. First, take your first piece of material. We are going to want to run this underneath our overlap guide, and we want to make sure that we're lining the edge of the material up with the outside of our top weld roller. We're then going to take our second piece, we're going to slip that through our overlap guide here. We're going to make sure that the top and the bottom piece of material are both lined up with the top and bottom of your weld rollers. Next, we're going to swing in our wedge, and as this is going down the track, we want to make sure that those two pieces of material are staying on the edge here, up against those two overlap guides. As soon as it gets done, we will swing the wedge out, and as you can see, we have a perfect 1-inch seam.